friend, welcome back in Excel lessons. My name is Lalit and today we will learn how to do strike through cell formatting in MS Excel. So let's start it from here. I've entered some correct and incorrect word country names. So this one is correct and this is incorrect. So now I want to highlight all the incorrect word using strike through cell formatting, right? So this feature is available here in home ribbon. Let's say if this one is incorrect and I want to highlight this one, so click in this home ribbon, select in font subgroup, click this small arrow, and now from here this cell format cell dialog box is invoked, and from effect select strike through, right? So now click OK. So this in this way you can highlight your incorrect word. Again this, select this one, strike through, and click OK, right? So your all incorrect words get highlighted in this way, right? But if you want to do it by keyboard shortcut, now you just select the incorrect word cell, the cell which contains an incorrect word, and press Ctrl 5 key. Ctrl 5 from your keyboard, right? Ctrl 5, Ctrl 5. So in this way you can highlight all the incorrect word using this strike through feature in Excel. So hope that this will you will like this video and this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching. And if you have not subscribed my channel, kindly do subscribe it, press the bell icon also, so that you will receive the notification on my latest upload. So thanks for watching and have a nice day.